Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today I wanted to show you the Flatson TR-U2 wireless transmitters for guitar. And I've already opened them up and charged them up, so let's open them up. I'm going to show you how they work. They look like this. They have it's 270 degrees of rotation right here. So you should have plenty of room to fit it into any connection that you'd like to fit it into, keyboards, basses. I'm going to try it in two different types of guitars today. They advertise that it has low latency and it's a 100-foot line of sight connection. So let's check it out and see what it sounds like. So this one's the receiver right here. So I'm going to turn it on. It's got an on switch right there. And it's looking to pair. I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on too. It's on. Alright, and I'm going to plug it in over here. Okay, let's start with the Telecaster. Sounds pretty good, and as you can see, there's plenty of room. You can turn it different ways if you want to, just to get it out of your way, and you can bend it however way you want for whatever situation you'd like. Let's try it out again. So I'm going to put it into the Stratocaster, and then what I'm going to do at the end of this video, because we want our electric signal to be the same as it would be for a cable, and this one should be able to do that because it's got low latency. I'm not really noticing hardly any of a difference. So you see it's a different connection right here. Still fits in fine. I can kind of slide it down. It's got 6 hours of battery life, and it's really inexpensive for a wireless system. Now, what I'm going to do later, because I'm right here, my pedal's right there, so it's really not testing out its range. Right now, I think it sounds great, and I think that it would be a great option for you if you're getting into the wireless game and you would like to find an inexpensive way to start out with wireless. I think that this is great. It sounds good. What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to switch these out. I'm going to play through with the Strat one more time. I'm going to give a couple of... Alright, so what I want to do now is to just see, I'm going to plug a regular cable back in, and I just want to see what's going to happen with this sound. So now the regular cable is back in. This is what I normally record with. So if you watch my channel, So that is the TR-U2 by Flatsons. Find it on Amazon. I like it. I'm going to use it a lot more, and I'm going to let you guys know what I really think about it as I test it out more. But you can get it on Amazon right now, under $50 at the moment. I'm not sure if that's a sales price or a regular price, but it's definitely a great way to get started in the wireless game. I'll see you guys in the next video.